Good evening, it's Brian here at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I'm going to show you this car here, a 2015 Hyundai ix35. This is a 1.7 diesel comfort model. Brian is my name. If there's any information you'd like on this particular car, please do give me a shout. 086 843 1945. Real noisy motorbike. So that's 086 843 1945. We can trade in any car you have and we can offer finance on this kind of a car. And on this 2015 there's actually a warranty until 2020. So as we were saying, 1.7 diesel, which is €280 a year for road tax. Realistic fuel efficiency is somewhere in the region of 6 or so litres per 100 kilometres, which if you're old school like me is somewhere in the region of miles per gallon of about 45 to 50 miles per gallon. The front of the car, this is 2015, which means that the facelifted lights, so down along through here you got nice daytime running lights, big parking light up along through there, front fog lights are standard on the car, and then after that, as you'll see, let's have a look in through here. So front fog light, nice chrome surround around through there, that is a daytime running lamp, parking light all the way down through there, full and dipped headlight in through here, indicator over here. 1.7 diesel engine in those is 115 horsepower, so nice power in the car overall. Really well shaped car at the front. These have been super popular for us. See the way the light comes down and it complements the shape of the grille all the way around there. Moving on the side of the car, then there is a dark grey alloy wheel, which looks quite nice. And then after that, in terms of condition, that wing down onto the doors, down onto the quarter panel over here on the rear, all nice condition, nice and original looking, that car all the way down through. You'll see the kind of reflective shine all the way off it, so looks very, very good that way. Small things like molded mud flaps are quite nice. Tow bar on the car was used for a small trailer. It's in quite good condition, so doesn't look like it's really been used too much. Rear parking sensors along through here. After that then, condition I would describe as really, really nice on the boot lid and onto the rear bumper. And moving down the side, quarter panel, yeah, all nice and original and well looked after, and around to the wing here at the front. So yep, so far I would say that car is really, really nice condition from what I see anyway. It's literally just been cleaned, so obviously it looks very nice, but I know, I think it's quite a nice tidy car. Okay, in the boot, apologies about the wind noise if it's coming through. So rear owner had a load liner, which makes a big difference, keeps the boot nice and tidy underneath. And then ix35's big bonus on them, full size spare wheel in through there. So that boot is in damn nice condition on both sides. The plastics are in good condition on both sides. Rear of the seat is in good condition. Yeah, very well looked after actually, that is. So all good there. And then after that, this here to close down the boot depending on height you are. Rear seats, actually headrests in the back. Okay, so in terms of the insides, the door card here is in good condition. One cool thing about these was they actually had heated rear seats, electric for windows in through there, kangaroo pocket storage in through here, carpet set with mats. So the original is in quite good condition, but they're all very, very nice in terms of how they look. 3-point safety belts, ISOFIX for child seats in through there. And then after that we have armrest in through here with drinks holders. Going to wipe that lens or some sort of dust or something on the front of it. So again, same theme. Car is very well looked after, so condition's really, really good in here. And in terms of size, just to give you an idea, if you're not familiar with ix35, that seat's all the way back. Space is good here, but that I would not sit that far back and run these. Headroom's really good in these, really, really good. ix35 though, predecessor to the Tucson, very good car, very big seller for us, very reliable car. Front and rear electrics in through here. As we move into the driver's seat, it's in nice condition, as is the passenger seat. The floor looks quite good down through there, and the floor on the other side looks quite good down through there as well. Right, okay, so in terms of here, 6 gears forward, USB and auxiliary connector down through there. Again, all the plastics and all, it's just really well looked after. Heated seats at the front on both sides, as well as the rear, as we saw already. Parking sensors for the rear which make noise, heating controls in through there, usual radio CD setup with USB that we saw down through there, armrest in the centre with some storage, and again same thing all the way through, lads. Really just well looked after car.
Please say a command.
FM 104.
FM 104.
So it does its own thing, all voice commanded for Bluetooth. 65,000 kilometres in the car. Cruise control in through here. Trip meter for average speed, fuel efficiency, all that kind of stuff. So previous owner, yeah, sitting at 6 litres per 100 kilometres. So that's giving you an idea how accurate those numbers are. Bluetooth in through there. Safety wise, you'll have a driver's airbag, passenger airbag, curtain up high, side of the seat, side of this seat over here, curtain up high, steel bar for side impact protection all the way down the side of the car, anti-lock brakes, emergency brake distribution, emergency brake assist. So if you're looking for like ix35 and you're looking for kind of the middle spec like this in terms of comfort, this is, and you like white, definitely be looking at this because it's really, that's a really nice car, really well looked after. As you're saying, there's a good long warranty until 2020. We can take your trade-in, we can offer finance. If you're not familiar with ix35s and you want a car that's high off the ground and reliable and easy on fuel and easy on road tax, and something that's going to be worth a few quid at the end that's easy enough to sell on or trade in again, and a car, will say, that has been very, very reliable for us, ix35s all day long are a really, really good choice. But anyway, come try it yourself, see how you get on. If you want any information before you travel, Brian is my name, 086, oops, bit of wind there, 086 843 1945, so I have to crouch down here to get out of the wind. Please do give me a call, I'll be happy to tell you roughly what your car is worth and give you rough estimates on finance and all that kind of stuff. And hopefully this car is of interest. Just who we are, Fitzpatrick's Garage, family run business in operation for almost 70 years. Where I'm standing here at the moment is the Mercedes branch. Just going to drive around the corner here, but literally just down the road we also have Hyundai, and so you'll see Mercedes in through there. The garage was established nearly 70 years ago, so family run business, and there's Mercedes here, and there's also Hyundai and Honda here. If you come to the garage, just ask for Brian, and then there's branches in Naas, Carlow and Tullamore as well. So if you're spending your money, you know you're going to be looked after in a garage like this. So thanks for taking time to watch.